The Lagos State Government, through the State Domestic and Sexual Violence Agency, has organized a two-day advocacy training for persons with disabilities, PWDs, in the state. Speaking at the training, the Executive Secretary, Lagos State Domestic and Sexual Violence Agency, Mrs. Titilola Vivo Adeniyi, said the event was put together to build capacity for heads of different disability clusters, such as people living with albinism, hearing and visual impairment, dwarfs, among others. In her remarks, the General Manager of the Lagos State Office for Disability Affairs, LASODA, Adenike Oyetunde Lawal, said the training is a welcome idea as it will broaden the knowledge of the participants and give them more access to justice. The State Resource and Admin for Rule of Law and Anti-Corruption Program implemented by IDEA, Abimbola Ushe, emphasized the need for those living with disabilities to learn about their rights first as Nigerians and what the rights of the Lagos Disability Law offer for them.
Particularly for persons with disabilities, we expect to see an increase in reporting from the different clusters, and we're already seeing the numbers. In 2023, we provided services to 11 persons with disabilities. Last year, that number doubled to 25, and we know that with this, with this information we're bringing, we expect to see an increase in formal reporting of sexual and gender-based violence. Ultimately, what our mandate is to saturate the metropolis with our zero tolerance message, reiterating the fact that these are crimes are committed against the state, and giving survivors their voice, their agency, to know that this has happened, it's not the end of their lives, and that there is help for them should they wish to access services. Imagine the partnership and the momentum we can build when we ensure that these two agencies work together in ensuring that anyone who is abused faces the full wrath of the law, and also putting out information about why people with disabilities must not be abused at all, whether they themselves are persons with disabilities abusing other persons with disabilities, or persons with disabilities being survivors. These conversations are necessary, and I'm glad that we're having it. And our intent is that there are representatives here today that we are training. We'll go back and reverberate the conversations that we're having so that it can spread across the clusters and in their communities.
For persons living with disabilities, they need to learn, they need to know about their rights in order to be able to carry out effective advocacy efforts. They need to learn about their rights first as Nigerians and what rights the Lagos State Disability Law offers for them, and also how to learn about how sexual and gender-based violence affects them, referral points, and agencies responsible for taking care of issues, different aspects of sexual and gender-based violence.
Hello, hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification button so you get notified about fresh news updates.